Hi everyone, this is Ashish Kyal here, and I am going to talk about today how to trade options for intraday, looking at Bollinger Band's breakout strategy. So I'm going to talk very quickly about that. So just stay tuned. Let me share across my screen here, and this is from Way Strategy Advisors, which is a research firm I have found years back, and I'm now going to move on to the chart. Okay, this is a chart of Nifty for a specific strike price. You can see it here for a specific strike of 17600 put option. That is what I'm showing it to you right now. Now these bands that you are seeing is Bollinger Bands. You can see the upper end of the band, you can see the lower end of the band, and prices are moving between these bands. And these Bollinger Bands can be used purely. This is a 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart of Nifty. You can trade options. This is directly on option chart. You can trade options by applying this simple methods of Bollinger Bands for intraday. Now यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे, you will see these bands have been contracting in a very narrow range. Post this contraction, when you see the band start expanding, so upper band will go up, lower band will go down, and then you see the first candle closing above the upper end of the band, and that is when that's an indication that prices are breaking out. So you can then buy on the next candle high being taken out, keeping the low of the swing as a stop loss. Yes, this low of the swing has to be kept as a stop loss very prudently. That's very important. There will be times when it can go whipsaw around like this place. It can simply come down or whipsaw, you get out. That is fine. This will happen. That's why we have a stop loss. Okay. So we know the risk is limited. Now over here, we were saved. So we were lucky, I would say, that it didn't get trigger over here. But even if it would have triggered, we would have lost a little amount of money. But then again, the next move that happened, we would have re-entered at this point, because this candle formed a green candle, closed above the upper band, and the next candle took out high here. And from this level, which is around 110, 115, the put option went to some sharply up towards the level of 300. Yes, that's like a multi-bagger in a day, right? From 115, you went up to 300. And where do you get out? That's the question. You get out when you see a reversal red candle below the upper end of the band, closing below the prior candle low. So there are different ways of exit strategy that we can form. But what I am trying to say is simple strategy that you can use is Bollinger Bands. See for expansion. See if RSI is not overbought, should not be around 80. So if you are looking at these kind of moves, there will be occasions when RSI reaches 80. This is like no buy zone. You need to understand that. Okay. And then you have to form a trading strategy. So if you followed RSI also with Bollinger Bands, you would have avoided buying at this level, which was around 80 zone. You would have avoided this. The next trade that you should have taken, or actual trade that you should have taken, is this one. So that is why I combine RSI to avoid this kind of moves which happen. So again I'm explaining. The first signal जो हमें मिला, band expansion हुआ, but by the time I got a signal, our RSI was at 80 level, so it was overbought, so I avoided it. Next time when it rallied sharply, RSI was much below 80, so this was the time when you could have bought the option. Continue to ride this option on the upside sharply, keeping this low as your stop loss, so your risk was limited. You're riding the trend on the upside, and that is how you can trade options by looking at this simple Bollinger Band breakout strategy. So मैंने बहुत छोटे से वीडियो में क्विकली आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. You have to go back, apply it practically by yourself, share across your comments what do you find, or share it on my Twitter @KyalAshish, and I'll be more than happy to keep guiding you and assisting you. How do you trade these kind of strategy prudently? Okay, this is just one way I have taught you, but you have to practice and do it yourself and see how well it is working. Now which strike price to select, when to do it, all of those things require little time, so we will do publish that subsequently, and you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel @KyalAshish as well for that information. So this is a very classic way of trading options with limited risk and potentially a lot of reward that you can see if goes in favor. So that's how you have to look at it. Okay, fantastic, guys. And this is my coordinate. This is purely for research, for learning. I'm nowhere recommending anything, and this is purely just for educational purpose. You can connect with me on wavestrategy.com or Twitter, YouTube channel, which is mentioned here, or get in touch on 9920422202. Also, we are having an option trading using technical analysis program on 11-12 December. You can be a part of that wonderful journey. So for registering more information, you can simply visit wavestrategy.com. This is what I wanted to share across, how to combine Bollinger Bands RSI on a 15-minute chart of an option for forming a classic trade setup. This is Ashish Kal signing off. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and trade successfully.